Hello again, welcome to Uncle Geoff's Easy Peasy English and a slightly different lesson today. Today it's completely listening comprehension because I want to find out how to connect my Rode wireless microphone system to my brand new super duper Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra. It doesn't have a jack socket for a 3.5mm jack plug. It's only got the USB-C port. And of course, my Rode microphone system has jack plugs, etc. Up until today, March the 3rd, 2022, I've been recording my English lesson videos on a Samsung Galaxy S9 Plus, which has been perfect. And of course it has the little jack plug for the headphones and the microphone in the bottom of the phone. And I've been recording using the Rode wireless microphone. I've got it tucked down here. There it is. And the receiver is on the tripod for the camera. But the new S22 Ultra doesn't have a jack plug. So how do I connect it? I contacted Rode Microphones in Australia and sent them an email and said, how can I connect my new phone to the wireless microphone system? And they came back very quickly. Well done, Rode Microphones. They came back very quickly with an email and said, you can buy this super duper new bit of kit that connects your Rode microphone to the new Galaxy Ultra S22 with different kinds of plugs. You can use it to plug into an iPad, into a MacBook, into all kinds of things. They supply a new little bit of kit with 3 new plugs and sockets, and it seems to work perfectly. But it costs about 90 euros or $65 or whatever it was, buying it online. And I thought, that's quite a lot of money. Let me do some more research. So I went online again, checked the Amazon site for different cables and connectors, checked Google and see what they could do. And Amazon site came up with lots of different products, different adapter sets that go from a jack plug socket to a USB-C cable plug to go into the bottom of the new S22. So I thought, okay, let me have a little look at those and read the descriptions, read what people thought about it. And some good reviews, but some bad reviews. All kinds of different companies seem to make these little connectors to go from a jack adapter, 3.5 jack, to a USB-C plug. So I read through some reviews. Again, some were good, some were bad. So I thought, do I want to spend £10, 15, 20 pounds on one of these new little adapter cables? Will it be a waste of money? I don't know. I need to have good quality sound, and I need to make sure that everything works. For my videos, I teach online. I teach English one-to-one online using WhatsApp and different other platforms. And so I thought I need something reliable. And some of the reviews weren't so good. And I thought, well, okay, I'm not going to spend my money on something that may not work. One review I watched on YouTube said, buy the little Samsung USB-C headset jack adapter. And I thought, okay, that's what I'll do. Cost about 19 euros in Portugal, about 19 euros. And I thought, okay, we'll give it a try. It's better than 90 euros for the Rode microphone thing. So I thought, we'll give it a try. If it works, great, I've saved stacks of money. If it doesn't work, I'm gonna have to put my hand in my pocket and buy the new Rode super duper bit of kit. So I went to the shop this morning to buy this little adapter cable. So as we open it up, Why do they always make these things so difficult to open? I don't know. But there it is. A little titchy bit of kit. Not enormous. It feels okay. A bit flimsy, but if it works, fantastic. There's the jack plug socket for the Rode cable, and there's the bit that goes in the bottom of my phone of the new S22. So I'm going to try it out, and fingers crossed. At the moment I'm filming on the old S9 Plus. In a minute, the next video you see, it'll be on the S22 Ultra, and then we'll see if it works. If it doesn't, I'm going to have to spend some big money, but we'll see. Should we give it a try? Sip of tea, fingers crossed. Here we go. Okay, that out of there, into there, and into the telephone. So, everything is plugged in, fingers crossed. Can you hear me? Thank goodness for that. I think it all works, and I think it all works beautifully. I've saved myself a lot of money. I would love to buy the new super duper bit of Rode kit with lots of plugs and things, but for the moment I need to save some money. So I spent, how much did I spend? Samsung adapter, USB-C jack 3.5 millimeter, $12.99 in the local electronics store here in Portugal. $12.99, better than about 90 euros. Can't be bad. Plus, of course, although I've got my new Galaxy Buds Pro with my new phone, with my new little cable, I can actually plug headphones into the telephone as well, like I used to with my old Galaxy phone. Because sometimes the buds just fall out of my ears. Not very trendy, I know. But thank you for joining us today. The next video you see will be recorded using the Rode microphone system and the brand new super duper Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra with my new little cable. Works great. Whew. Thanks for joining us. We'll see you next time on Uncle Geoff's Easy-Peasy English, and maybe another product review. Ta-ta for now. Thanks for being there. Bye-bye.